Hi, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to do the double crochet. This is one of the most common stitches there is. It's very good to know this stitch because it's used a lot in patterns, and besides from the single crochet stitch, this is the most common stitch there is. So it's very good to know and it's quite easy to do. I will show you now how we do it. So we begin with a chain. I just chained up a few. You can do any number of chains you want, but just be sure to add 2 when you're done. So just yarn over and pull through 2 times. We will be needing these 2 chains to turn the work, so we get up to the height of a double crochet. So when we begin working in these chains, we will skip these first 2 chains, and then we will begin working from the 3rd chain. And when we double crochet, we begin by yarning over our hook, and then we insert the hook in this 3rd chain. So we have 3 loops on the hook. Then you yarn over and pull through 1 loop. Then we yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And then yarn over and pull through the final 2 loops. And then we have our first double crochet. Okay? So this next one, down here, this is our next chain. We will now do a double crochet into this one. So again, we yarn over the hook. Then we insert the hook in this next chain. Then yarn over and pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Then we have 2 double crochet. And I will show you again. You find your next chain down here on the bottom. So yarn over, insert the hook in this next chain, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Then you find your next chain, this one, and we yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So now we know how to do the double crochet. I will do this row off cam so you can finish in your own pace. So go ahead and pause this video and do the rest of these chains in your own pace, and then I'll meet you up when we are all the way at the end of this to show you how to turn the row. I'm now all the way at the end, and you see the first row should look like this. I only have 1 chain left to go. I just want to show you that this is your final chain. This one out here, you will never crochet into this one. That's our slip knot from the beginning. So this is your final chain, and we will do 1 final double crochet into this. So yarn over, insert your hook in this final chain and do your double crochet. That's it. So now we have our first row. Now we will chain 2 to turn the work. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Some people chain 3, I only chain 2. That really doesn't matter, because when we turn the work, I chain 2, so I will skip 2. If you chain 3, you will just skip 3 chains. but I will only skip these 2 and do this as my first double crochet. And I will yarn over, then count 2, 3, this one, insert the hook through this third one, and then continue with double crochet. So yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, insert the hook through this next stitch. See all the stitches are lying on top here. You push through the stitch underneath it, so you have both loops on top of your hook, and do your double crochet. And again, find your next stitch down here. Push your hook underneath the stitch, so you have both the front loop and the back loop on top, and then yarn over, pull through. First yarn over, then push through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And that is it. Then when you continued for a couple of rows, your double crochet should look like this. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!